is freaking awesome. And the polish it takes, phenomenal. I just love working with it. What I did was face this guy, took an end cut off of it, and look at this. Yes, look at the bands in there. Isn't that beautiful? I gotta stay over here because of the sun. Let's see if I can move the camera. There we go. You'll be able to see it. Gloves match it perfectly. Look at that. I do. I just love this stuff. You guys are probably going to get sick of me showing it to you because I love cutting it and polishing it. It does. It takes the freaking best polish ever. Even the outside of it before it's cut is pretty. Look at that. You see all those dark lines running through it? Oh yeah, I could see the bands coming through there already. And I just love this gray color. It's like a blue gray. Oh yeah. Man, if I had $1 for all those bands. Look how pretty. Yeah, it just fades. It goes from that light gray and fades all the way down to dark and then back into light gray. North and south dark lines running through it. It's like a little kid scribbled and just scratched all the way and made lines. Of it, I think I might try and cut it one more time and see if I can put them in the tumbler and see how they do. And I can't even choose a favorite between them. They all have these individual bands in them like this. And they're just awesome. Like I said, they're just a pleasure to work with too. Like I think this one, I don't know if it's too thin. I think it should be okay. Like if I were to put this in the tumbler and see how it turns out. What do you guys think? Think it's a good enough size for a tumbler, or will it break in half? I guess maybe I could try to cut one. I'll cut one more piece off of here, so I have 2 of these. Put one in there whole, cut one in half, and then put the remainder of this in there and see how they turn out. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Okay. Cut of the day, guys.